Huh? Uh, another day. Well, I guess we should get ready. I need to stop thinking about him. We need to start our day. He was my love, and he had to leave me. Well, let's take a shower first. Now let's change. There, better. Now let's brush our teeth. My breath really stink. Here is my toothbrush. There we go. Now let's put it in there. Maybe I should get something to eat. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. Let's go. Let's have cookies and bread and watermelon. Cookie. Nom 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 nom. There we go. Well, now I guess it's time for farm stuff. But first, okay. Well, I guess we should go check on our neighbors. Wow, the house is small compared to mine. But who did own this farm, who trusting me, did give me a lot of money for this house, so yeah. Well, I guess we should knock. Okay. Hi. Um, cool. I'm your neighbor. Yeah, Kayla. Um, yeah, I live right over there. I'm trying to take care of the sheep and stuff, but it's kind of hard. I see. I can help time to time. Really? Wow, that'd be a lot of help. Because it's a lot of animals and food and more. And thanks. Shh, it'll be alright. I'll get you back. Thanks, Sam. Thanks a lot. Do you know two other people coming to this farm? No, I didn't. Why didn't the owners tell me? I don't know, but I'll talk to you later. I'm tired. Okay, that's fine. Bye. Huh. Sam is actually really nice. For some reason, I feel like I heard that name before. It doesn't matter. I have to take care of my farm. Plus, it's turning night, so I must hurry. Any props grown? No. So I don't have to take them down. And my animals, I think, is fine. I should feed them. Wheat. There you go. There you go. And they eat carrots, so I don't really have carrots. Well, my day is almost over. All I have to do is take Sammy for a walk. So let's go. Come on, Sammy. Let's go. Let's go around the house again. Dun, 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 dun. I remember that time when we almost got married. I need to stop. Come on. Sorry you got wet. I guess you like that corner best.